In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sending test emails is an essential step when you're preparing to launch a newsletter or any email campaign. It ensures that everything looks perfect and works seamlessly before your content makes its way to your audience's inbox. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Beehiiv account. If you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and simple. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage your newsletters and campaigns. Now find the section for creating a new newsletter or editing one that you've already been working on. This is typically found on the left side of your screen. Click on the Create button or select an existing newsletter. If you're creating a new one, you'll be prompted to choose a layout or a template. Choose one that resonates with your content and brand. Once your newsletter is open, you'll be able to edit the content. This is where you put in all your articles, images, links, and any other information that you want to include. Take your time here to ensure everything is polished. After you've completed your edits and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to send a test email. Look for the preview button or similar option within your creation area. This feature often allows you to see how your email will look on different devices like mobile phones and desktop computers. It's a helpful step in matching your intended design. Now, once you've previewed and made any necessary adjustments, look for the Send Test Email option. Usually, this can be found in the same area where you've just located the preview button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the email address where you want the test email sent. This could be your personal email, a colleague's, or anyone who can provide you with feedback. Go ahead and enter the email address. It's a good idea to send it to yourself since you'll be able to compare the test email with the draft in Beehiiv. After you've confirmed the email address, there might be an option to customize your subject line for this test. Feel free to enter a simple subject like Test Email from Beehiiv so that you know it's just a test in your inbox. Once everything looks good, click on the Send Test button. Now, you'll want to keep an eye on your inbox because the email won't take long to arrive. If you don't see it in your inbox almost immediately, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, emails can get filtered there, especially if they're being sent from a new service. When the test email arrives in your inbox, open it up and take a thorough look. Check for any formatting issues, broken links, or images that may not have displayed correctly. Make sure the text reads well and that everything aligns with what you intended. This is your opportunity to catch any last-minute errors. If you spot something that needs fixing, go back to your Beehiiv editor, make those adjustments, and then don't forget to send another test. It may take a few tries to get everything just right, but trust me, this testing phase is crucial to ensure your audience has the best experience possible when they receive your email. Once you're completely satisfied with how your test email looks and functions, you're ready to schedule or send your newsletter to your actual audience. And that's really all there is to it. So I hope you found this step-by-step guide on how to send a test email in Beehiiv helpful. Remember, putting in that extra effort to test your content can make a world of difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Happy emailing!